Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, Evil Collector 96. Just gonna do a brief recap of 0809 Black Diamond box break because the last video I didn't think it was clear enough, so I'm gonna make another one. Alright, I got all these base cards. I didn't get a complete single diamond base set. I'm missing numbers 1, 10, 1, 10, 42, 46, 54, 56, and 81. So that's 7 base cards. Alright, I got all these duplicates, single diamonds, Corey Perry, Patrice Bergeron, Jason Palmville, Justin Williams, Merrick Svatos, 2 Pascal Leclerc, 2 Sergei Zubov, Johan Franzen, Nicholas Cromwell, 2 Sergei Kostitsins, Dan Ellis, 2 Brian Rolstons, I don't know if you saw Ellis, 2 Brian Rolstons, Bill Guerin, Anton Vermette, Jeff Carter, Andy McDonald, 2 Ryan Verbatis, 2 Ryan Malone, 2 Vaclav Prospel, Vinny Prospel, Jose Theodore, and Michael Nylander. Yeah, Michael Nylander. So that's cool. Alright then. Double diamonds, I got Kari Lettinen, Derek Roy. Double diamond, Brad Richards, Mike Ribeiro, Zach Parise, and Marcus Knappin. For triple diamonds, J.S. Jaguar, Marian Hossa, Danny Heatley, and rookie gems triples, I got Lucas Spiza, Vladimir Mihalik, and Nikolai Kulemin. I got a Evgeny Malkin quad diamond and Patrick Berglund quad rookie gem diamond. So that was my quad rookie of the box. And I got 2 run for the cup cards of Marian Hossa and not Hossa, Marian Gaborik and Roberto Luongo numbered. The Gaborik's numbered 91 out of 100, and the Luongo's numbered 3 out of 100. So you never see it clearly. That's my webcam. That was a nice 2 run for the cup cards. Got 2 premier cut cards of single diamond shaped like a number 1 of Marian Hossa, and a double diamond premier cut shaped like a 2 of J.S. Jaguar. Yeah. I got 3 jerseys, quad jerseys of Joe Mullen. 3 swatches are white, and 1 swatch is black. With a Flames, he's an all-time Flame. He's an all-time great Flames, even though he's played for the Pens and Blues. But he won a cup. He won like 3 Stanley Cups, 1 of the Flames in '89, and 2 of the Pens in '91, '92, and had Lemieux, Yager, and all kinds of players. Black. All right. Next is a Peter Forsberg quad jersey. 2 of them orange. It's the Flyers. These are actually his Flyers jerseys. They're two orange ones there, and 2 black swatches there. So that's cool. It's an Avalanche jersey, and got this nice Yoni Pikkinen, numbered 56 out of 100, the Ruby jersey. Pikkinen and the Canes, and it's numbered 56 out of 100, right there. And it's nice 3 color swatch. There's white, orange, white. There's white, orange, and black. So there, that's cool. And that's my video, and I hope you like this break, and thanks for watching.